Just as the sunrise starts to show, warming up the motorway. You know you felt this way before, but can't recall the time and day. Don't know if life is a small part of something greater. And when you get off this raging horse, sings to whatever.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. A beautiful morning today, and we are going to Target to do our usual grocery shopping. So I'm gonna take you with me because I sense that you like grocery shopping videos more than anything else, right? I will bring you today with me, okay? So we're gonna have fun, we're gonna hang out. So I'll see you in a while. Husband is already calling one, as if it matters, but this is our going to Target outfit of the day. Sneakers, my leopard top, and this is the bag that I'm gonna be carrying with me. There you go. Simple. Almost 12. You need a wagon.
Just as the sunrise starts to show, warming up the motorway. You know you felt this way before, but can't recall the time and day. Don't know if life is a small part of something greater. And when you get off this raging horse, sings to whatever. I let it go for all time's sake. I let you stay in my mind. When every minute bends and breaks, always a little bit behind. Don't know if life is a small part of something bigger. And when you get off this raging horse, seems to whatever. So the last goodbye is getting down, and the stream begins to bowl. And the memories will stick on you like a bird up on your clothes. And the last thing I would like to ask before getting in the sea, did you ever love me? So the last goodbye is getting here, and the stream begins to bowl. And the memories will stick on you like a bird up on your clothes. And the last thing I would like to ask before getting in the sea, did you ever love me? 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 Just as the sunrise starts to show, warming up up the motorway. You know you felt this way before, but can't recall the time and day. Don't know if life is a small part of something greater. And when you get off this raging horse, sings to whatever. I let it go for all time's sake. I let you stay in my mind. When every minute bends and breaks, always a little bit behind.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bags, total of $226.92 for 2 people. So we go shop for groceries twice a month. So more or less we are looking at close to $500, or sometimes it even goes to $600 a month just for groceries. Okay, so are we gonna do a haul? Probably not, because these are just basic things that you've seen earlier. Mostly they're vegetables, fruits, frozen veggies, and pasta, and anything that we could extend for 2 weeks. So I'm gonna store this away and then relax for about an hour or 2, and then we'll see what happens later. Okay. We love this brand for our plant-based milk from Oatly. One of the best. The next one I like is from Califia. But one thing, you guys, I did not see a lot of vegan options at Target. I guess in the mainland you have that there already, but over here in Hawaii, it's just when you talk of vegan, you just go straight to the produce section, get vegetables and food supply.
Just as the sunrise starts to show, warming up the motorway. You know you felt this way before, but can't recall the time and day. Don't know if life is a small part of something greater. And when you get off this raging horse, sings to whatever. I let it go for all time's sake. I let you stay in my mind. When every minute bends and breaks.
I am such a bad vlogger. First, I don't think I did a formal introduction to my channel yesterday, but every time I turn on this camera, something is going on with my eye. Well, hello there, Winkles. Yes, Mama, you are a bad vlogger. You don't know how to vlog outside. You don't know how to introduce yourself. Well, forgive moi. I am amateur when it comes to vlogging. But you guys, something is in my eye. But anyway, so I don't know yet what's gonna be a title of this video or this vlog. But yesterday we started with me bringing you to Target. It was uneventful, I would say, when it comes to finding, you know, vegan alternatives, but I just wanna check it out because some of you guys say that in your side of the world Target has vegan options, but not here in Hawaii. So as in usual, I just go straight to the produce section. Anyway, I really focus on whole food, plant-based, rather than, you know, vegan processed food. I mean, you can be both. So veganism is deeply entrenched on animal compassion. So whether you're eating healthy or not, and when I say not healthy, you know, the vegan junk food, so it has nothing to do with health. But if you want to focus on health, then your food should be centered on the least processed as much as possible. Vegetables, fruits, legumes, beans, anything that is not processed, basically. That's my point. And if you want to take it a step further, you could also do a whole food, plant-based, no oil, because oil is oil, empty calorie, again, if you're looking into the health component of this lifestyle. But can you be both vegan and whole food, plant-based? Well, of course. I am both vegan for the animals, whole food, plant-based for health. And when it comes to saying vegan for the animals, it goes beyond what you put in your mouth, okay? So you are very conscious of the things you buy. Say, for example, I don't wear leather and other products that are made from animals. So say, for example, Tarte. This one is vegan, cruelty-free. Vegan, cruelty-free meaning to say not tested on animals. So vegan does not contain animals, okay? So, is it hard in the beginning? Well, if you're new to this lifestyle, of course, as with anything, there are some adjustments. But I've been on this lifestyle for quite some time already, so it's no longer hard. Plus, there are a lot of resources for you guys that you can use if you are unsure. Birds, they're happy. Okay, if you're unsure if the products are vegan, then you can do research before hitting the stores. Or in my case yesterday, as you've seen in the video, I read the ingredients just making sure that there's nothing there that I wouldn't eat. I just want to make sure that I have my tinted sunscreen on, just because you always want to be protected even though you are staying at home, because the UV rays, UVA, UVB, they penetrate the window. So want to make sure that you're all covered. And not going to put any mascara because, like I said, I am just going to exercise. So we are keeping it very simple. But let's put on some lipstick, because why not? And this brand is Red Apple. Red Apple. So that's just me when it comes to exercising at home. I just want to look decent and dress for the part so that you can move comfortably and you can sweat fabulously. If that makes sense. That breakfast I had is really filling. Actually, I'm thinking, how can I even move? Thanks. What are you doing? So that was fun. I had a good more than an hour of exercise. My ear is still recovering from loud music. Well, I am going to relax for now and probably prepare for lunch. I'll see you in a while. We love making pasta here.
I documented. I'll show you.
Wow.
Crowd wants to look at your artwork.
Would you like to buy some pictures, ma'am?
That's good. You painted all this?
Yeah, got some more.
Not that one.
Not this one,
He
right?
didn't paint that. He didn't paint this. But everything else he did.
That's nice.
Let's see.
I like this. This is us. Winkles. This one too. That's nice. Now the challenge is to keep everything clean. This is Winkles. Winkles, look at you. Are you happy with this? This one you did too? The Mickey Mouse?
No.
Oh no.
Wrinkles.
Just as the sunrise starts to show, warming up the motorway. You know you felt this way before, but can't recall the time and day. Don't know if life is a small part of something greater. And when you get off this raging horse, sings to whatever. I let it go for all time's sake. I let you stay in my mind. When every minute bends and breaks, always a little